Good morning, yogis, yoginis, and everyone in between. This is day 25 of your morning yoga journey. I'm Kit, and welcome to Yoga with Kit Souther. I'm so happy to see you guys. We're on day 25. That's so crazy. So I hope that you guys are doing well this morning. Sorry for the high energy. I am excited. So you guys, like all mornings, we're going to go ahead and start off with our affirmation. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. You're more than welcome to do this video, or you can check out the description box below. I have the link for the very first video of this 30-day journey. You obviously are more than welcome to do this one, or you can do that day one, whichever you prefer, right? Cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We begin with our affirmation. If you would like, I invite you to gently close your eyes. The affirmation is, I give myself permission to take time for myself. From here, we're going to inhale, beginning our cleansing breath. Inhale through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Sitting up tall, we begin with our Oms. We inhale through the nose. We inhale. One more, we inhale. Allowing the breath to come back to its normal cadence. Sitting here for a brief moment, preparing for our day, preparing for our practice. Great, you guys. If you're sitting on a block, go ahead and get that out of the way. Beautiful. From here, we are going to start off today. Oh, my ankle. Taking the feet out a bit wider than the hips. We're going to do an internal-external rotation. So as we exhale, we're going to let the knees fall to one side. And as we inhale, we're going to come back up, right? So allow the knees to fall to the right. We inhale. And allow them to fall to the left. We inhale. Warming up the hips. And taking it back to center. Let's do that one time more on each side. And exhale, falling. And inhale, bringing it back up. From here, we are going to bring the soles of the feet together and do a little butterfly pose. We're going to inhale, really focusing on holding a straight back here. And as we exhale, we're going to forward fold, taking our time, not rushing anything here. If you're having issues with your hips, or if this is uncomfortable for your knees, a great modification is putting blocks underneath your knees here, just like this. And especially if you're doing any yin or restorative yoga, I highly suggest doing that. Oi. Beautiful. Let's take one more inhale here. And then as we exhale, using the fingertips, walking it back up. From here, we're going to keep one foot in, and we're going to take the right leg out, right? So we're going to inhale, making sure that this left foot is right against the femur, right? So staying strong here. We're going to turn the chest towards the foot. We inhale, lifting the arms up nice, tall, elongating the spine. We're going to exhale, forward fold, heart to knee, right? That is the intention. And then holding here wherever is comfortable for you, right? So that could be a lot of different variations for different people, right? So finding what is yours for this morning, making sure that that foot is flexed. Really breathing into this asana. And we're going to exhale, bringing it back up. We switch sides. Right, so just warming up the body again, like the butterfly pose. If you're having issues here, you can put a block underneath that knee. We take it to the other side. We inhale, hands come up. Exhale, taking it towards the big toe, right? Making sure we stay long in the neck. Remember, like a chord. We're just pulling. It's like we're tuning the guitar, you know? Just stretching it out. Great, you guys. Let's take one more inhale here. And on the exhale, we bring it back up. Beautiful. From here, we are going to do the half Lord fish pose. What a name, right? So we're going to take this left leg, this left foot, tuck it underneath here. And then we are going to take our right and bring it right on over, doing a nice little twist. If that is comfortable for you, you can take this left hand, this left elbow, and just gently twist. No harsh movements here, right? So just taking it easy, making sure that those abs are still engaged. Our tailbone is tucked / kind of neutral. And as we exhale, we take it back, de-twisting, taking it to the other side. Great. We are going to take those legs out, shake them out, shake them. Right? Okay, so now we do the other way. Right? So taking this right foot underneath, keeping that foot flexed, bringing the left leg over the right, gently hugging it here, right? So you can stay here if you want. Or as we exhale, remember abdominals are engaged. We're bringing in those top ribs. We exhale, you can either twist holding like this, or a little deeper twist. You can take the elbow of the right hand to the outside of the left knee. Really feeling that stretch in between those shoulder blades. Again, not pushing anything, doing a nice little fluid twist. And on the next exhale, we de-twist gently. And we exhale, taking it back to neutral. We're going to take those legs out in front. And then we're going to just gently move the hips from side to side. Beautiful, you guys. So I would love for us to try some just a little bitty bridge poses just to warm up the back. If you do not have much back flexibility, don't worry about that. What you can do instead is just take it into Sphinx pose, right? Which I think we did that 3 days ago. and that is here, right? So just really make sure that your gaze is up towards the sky and staying strong in those legs. And for anyone who would like to try it, again, please go with caution. We're not going to do a full bridge, we're just going to do some modifications. So we're going to bring these heels as close as we can to the buttocks. We're going to make sure that back is flat. We're going to tuck the shoulder blades, make sure that the shoulders, the whole ridge of the shoulders is on the mat. As we exhale, we're going to take the buttocks up into the air. We're going to clasp the hands clasp the hands together, and then really have the sensation of pushing the hips towards the ceiling, towards the sky, and staying strong in those arms, staying strong in the legs. Remember, still yogi toes, right? So like lizard, like lizard hands, really pushing up, listening to your body. And we're gonna exhale, releasing, doing a nice little massage for the lower back, hanging from side to side. We're gonna do that one more time, catching your breath here. Again, please don't push it. If that was a little bit too much, just go ahead and flip over on your stomach and do the Sphinx, or just do a little baby cobra, whatever is comfortable for you. Okay, let's prepare again. We have those heels close to the buttocks. Remember, our shoulders are engaged, so we're gonna push the shoulder blades together. Hands come beside the buttocks, right? And then from here we clasp the hands, staying strong, pushing those hips towards the ceiling, engage the glutes, trying to get the top of the shoulders on the mat and the rest of the back not, right? So really feeling that all throughout the back, opening it up, saying good morning. Let's hold that for one more breath. We inhale, and on the exhale we release. Beautiful. If you would like, I invite you to just put your right hand on your heart, your left hand on your belly. Really find that mind-body connection. Feeling your chest and your stomach as you inhale, and your breath rises, your stomach rises, and as you exhale, how it falls. Staying mindful of your heartbeat. Being grateful for this moment. From here, we're going to bring our knees to the chest. Give them a nice little hug. Being proud of yourself for taking the time out and dedicating this practice to you. We turn onto our right side, and using the hands coming up into easy pose. With the eyes remaining closed, we inhale, hands come above the head, reaching, stretching out, hands wide. Palms meet. We exhale, hands to heart. Thank you for practicing with me today. Namaste. Okay, you guys, that's it for today's practice. Please let me know how it went for you. I would love to know. Also, if you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button gently. And also subscribe to my channel so that you never miss an upload from me. Thank you all so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Namaste. Ciao.